Yeah. Yeah.
Whoa, come on.
And then in your next corner, bringing him back to a trot. So start rising and carry on that trot. Well done. That's it.
Come on.
Good, sit up nice and tall, shoulders back, heels down. Good, and trot in, keep rising, rise, rise, rise. Perfect. Yep, if we change the rein up here, just stay in trot for a second. So you can get used to this rein, and we'll just circle this end in trot.
Come on. Come on, Bob.
That's it.
Come on.
Good. And then picking up a canter there. Good. Good, sit up tall.
See that skid? I don't know, that's almost like drifting. That's what we call drifting.
Yeah. In a car. Good.
I'm not playing. Come on, serious, come on. Oh, just skid. That's it.
And trot it in there. That's it, keep rising. Keep that trot going, just circle this end. Come on, Bob.
Right, so one more gallop and that's it, end of lesson.
Yep, that's fine.
Come on! Come on! That!
Ooh.
Whoa! Come on!